Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be fried chicken livers, and we're gonna smother them in some gravy. And here are the ingredients that we'll be using for our fried chicken livers. We'll be using salt, black pepper, fresh chicken livers, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, and home style gravy. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, so we're going to start with a bell pepper and 1 onion, and we're going to use half of the bell pepper and half of the onion. Let us know how y'all doing in the comment section below, and shout out to our brother and our sister King T and Queen M. And this video is dedicated to you, Queen, with these chicken livers. I hope y'all enjoy it, and much love and respect to our brother. And if y'all don't know who that is, go over and check out his channel, Cooking and Vibing with T, and I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. I promise y'all will not regret it, and y'all will not be disappointed. So here I'm just stirring up the onions and the bell peppers with 2 tablespoons of butter, with margarine, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm gonna add my gravy. I allowed this to simmer on the stove for a few minutes before I added the chicken livers to it. I went in with 3 tablespoons of butter to add more of that savory flavor to our gravy. And I also went in with some seasoning. I went in with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. I'm not gonna bore y'all to death. I'm just gonna give y'all highlights of what I'm doing, and I hope y'all enjoy this music that I'm gonna play for y'all. And also, and if you're new to the channel and saying this, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment on the video, and make sure you click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you will be notified when I upload a video. Okay, so we got the gravy on simmer and ready to go. So for the rice, I'm using long grain rice. And always remember, it's a 2-to-1 ratio with long grain rice. So for every cup of rice, you want to use 2 cups of water. And don't salt your water until your water comes to a boil. Then you want to add your rice. And once it comes to a boil, you're going to put the top on it and turn it down and put it on a low simmer. You will have soft and fluffy rice every time. But if you don't want to do it this way, you can always allow the rice cooker to do the work for you.
I flip my pie, really did that 180. Young niggas coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180.
Okay crew, so for the chicken livers, I'm only gonna use black pepper and salt. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the flour, black pepper and salt, and that's it. I'm gonna flour the chicken livers up, and I'm gonna fry them at 350 degrees for 45 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy, whichever way works best for you.
Everything that I don't miss, till someone get John on the line, say the invoice is coming. I'm thumbing through stacks of that cold ball. They egging me on, so I'm going off. I got them mad, I show off. They treating my life like it's no law. I never flex it, but my means. I spit the cream on my tribe, don't I? Don't bro me, don't know me, you not regime. To the one with the condom, my eye is on it. Yeah. I see you move through the place, they precaution, they snaking, they seeing me. Money tree, wake up the royalties. I got a queen, yeah, she go with me. She making me feel like I'm royalty. It's probably cause you royalty. I just got fresh with the golden piece, shrug, show the emoji, okay. You know it's me, diamond soul, dancing, singing like Jodeci. 10 out of 10 every time till they notice me. What you thought I was supposed to be. Ain't nobody close to me. Granted, my hits touch the billboards, and they printing my face on the billboard. They envy my drip, I'm enlightened. You should let go of that hate, but you feel more. I make them rage every time they get flame when they hear what I say, coming straight from the source, yeah. I come a long way from the coast by the shore, my boy, I'm enjoying this. Young niggas coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. I flip my pie, really did that 180. Who's that gon' tell me I can't do? I can't do. Better be on time with my bankroll. Talk fat, no ball cat, no lit word. Routine like clockwork, my wrist.
Alright, so we about to drop those chicken livers in that grease. Remember, 350, 4 to 5 minutes. And here's that famous close-up of those chicken livers. Look at those. Alright, so I'm going to put the first batch in the gravy while I cook the second batch. I ain't want to bore y'all to death, so I just skip right on to the next scene. We're going to keep it moving, like my boy, Chef Young Reno say. So here's a famous close-up of our chicken livers in the gravy. Guys, ladies, it turned out very well. The flavors was on point. The livers was cooked to perfection. And Mama E, she enjoyed it to the fullest. Alright, crew, so I'm about to get ready to fix y'all a plate. And we're going to start off with some rice in our bowl. And it may look like I put a lot of rice in there, but I really didn't. I only cooked like 1 cup of rice. So remember that tip. For every cup of rice, 2 cups of water, some long grain rice. So I got half of the rice. And now I'm going to top that rice with the chicken livers and some of the gravy. And I pretty much fix this for Mama E. And I'm also dedicating this video to Queen M. And the music, dedicating it to King T. So I appreciate y'all. Much love. And crew, much love and respect to y'all too. Thank y'all for just supporting us and supporting the people that we share out to y'all. We're really grateful. And we really appreciate and love y'all for that. So here's the final plate of our chicken livers. Our smothered chicken livers with gravy over rice. I truly hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.